Hi guys, if you want to change the default language or typing language in Google Docs like this, then let's see how to do it. So here is the first method. For that, simply click on the Google Doc home icon and then click on the menu icon and then click on settings. Now on the settings dialog box, under the language section, you will be able to see your current language. Simply click on it. And now on the language page, under the preferred language section, you will be able to see your current Google Docs language. You can see, in my case, it is English right now. To change the default language, simply click on this edit icon. Now here, either type the language which you want to add or simply scroll down and select the language from the list. Let's say I want to change my Google Docs default language to Hindi. So here I will simply type Hindi. Here it is. Simply select the language and then click on Save button. And now you can see the default language will be changed. Now to check the Google Docs default language, simply go to the Google Docs and refresh the page. And now you can see the Google Docs default language has been changed. And when you open a new page, here you can notice the default language has been changed and it is Hindi now. You can see when you open any menu, you can see everything is in the Hindi. So this is how you can easily change the default language in Google Docs. But even after changing the default language in Google Docs, when you start typing on Google Docs page, you can notice the typing language has not been changed. So if you want to change the typing language as well, then see the next method. To change the typing language in Google Docs, first of all, go to the file section and then click on language. And from here, select whatever typing language you want. For the example, let's say I want the Hindi language. So from here, I will select the Hindi. Here it is. Once you select whatever typing language you want, after that, a input tool will be added here. You can see. Simply click on it and select the language. I want to select the language Hindi. So here I will select the Hindi. And after the selection, I start typing. And now you will be able to type in your preferred language. Now you can see the typing language has been changed and you are able to type in your preferred language. And now whatever you want to type, you can type in your preferred language. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily change the default language or typing language in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.